Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute since I did a video. Things have definitely got a little hectic, you know, the past few weeks. So yes, I am back and I am going to be showing you guys if you should set your eyes or not. But again, it's not telling you this is what you need to do. No, it's a preference, but if you should try it, that's all I'm here for, is to let you guys know what I think of it. So if you guys want to see how I felt about it, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so as of right now, my eyes are not primed. I did cover them with the foundation and concealer, but I just wanted to throw on the primer first so you guys can see that I did not set nothing for one eye, and then the other eye we're just going to set that. And I'm sorry my eyes are red. I was rubbing them and I kind of irritated them. So, and don't also mind my nails. I broke one and my jewels are falling off. So since all that's covered now, I'm just going to go ahead and take advantage of the broken nail finger and apply my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. And this side that I'm doing now, I'm not going to set it. And with this eye, we are going to set it. So with this video though, I've been always just so curious to try this out because I see so many people go in with their eyes just not primed, and for me that just does not feel right. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair back if I can even find, yeah, here it is. Okay, so I am just clipping my hair back for now. And again, this eye we are not setting, and this eye we are going to. So I decided for this look, I could have done my other, you know, bunch of palettes that I've been wanting to do, but I'm just gonna go into a palette to have a fair game of what I do know blends out right and everything, which there's a lot, but I'm just gonna stick to the Morphe 350 palette, and it doesn't matter what palette. I'm just had a hair. I know it's bugging me. Anyways, I just wanted to stick to a palette that I know definitely everything works perfectly. So I could find, I gotta clean my desk up so bad. I clean it, but then it's like I never cleaned it before. And it goes like this super quick. So anyways, okay, so I'm just going to go on with a very light color to go ahead and just hurry up and set this eye. And I'm not doing any specific kind of look. This look is just, this video is just to see how things apply and if I like it better. So being that this eye is not set, I kind of feel like I want to jump into that first. And I'm curious to try, you know, I'm going to do everything with my brushes that I normally use, just so we can again have a fair game of what I'm liking and what I don't. But if I feel like I need to use different brushes, then that is what I'm going to have to do. So I'm just going to go, and again, this look is just basic, it's nothing crazy, it's just what I'm wanting to try. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get a mirror so we're close up. Okay, here we go. Not set. It already feels wrong. It's actually not coming out blotchy or anything like I thought it was gonna be. I just thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Anyways, now I'm gonna go in this eye, which this one just feels completely right to me. just because it's all set. That one just felt more natural, sorry, but this one is not really bad actually either. They honestly look the same, like, well, that wasn't so bad like I thought. Okay, so with that part being done, I think I'm gonna just jump into a dark shade and get my normal brush. Gotta clean them off because I used these this morning. When did I do that? Oh shit. I just totally dug my nail into a shadow. Oh, well, I guess we're gonna use that one because that's kind of what I was up my alley. Okay, so this one, I do admit though, it definitely takes the pigment right where you put it, and that I do not mind at all, because sometimes it's like when you put it a dark shadow or whatever, it's but this one just definitely right where you put it, it takes it. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it, but I'm mainly wanting to just tap it. I'm not mad at this at all. Like, I'm actually really, really impressed. And see what I mean right here? It did not pick up how that side did. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this side I'm actually getting really mad at. It is not doing how the other side was, and how I was explaining. It doesn't go exactly where you want. I think we're knowing where this is going. And don't mind the fallout part. I'm not tapping the excess off because I'm really trying to get that pigment right there. I never realized how much this bothers me. I notice, like, when I'm trying to clean it up, this part stays. Like, when you want to brush off this part, it's like kind of going with it. We'll fix that in a minute. I'm actually really liking the side that I was really nervous about, but we're gonna go ahead and fix this and try to match that all out. Okay, so as for the lid, I'm just gonna go in with a simple gold look. It really just has a small amount of pigment, but the second time going in now, it shows it a lot more. But to be honest, I thought it was just going to be a lot more pigmented because nothing is set. It's no different than putting the concealer and then putting this on top, and then it gives it more of that pigmented look. I'm not blown away of thinking that it was, but it definitely sets in there really nicely. So for the setted side, that's it. We're definitely going to have to set it for sure. So getting my Fix Plus, I'm just going to spray that and then put it on here. So that works better, of course. I'm just gonna set it real quick. Alright, same for this side. Okay, so I'm gonna say though, like I said, I just thought it was gonna be a lot more pigmented on this side, but to me it set it really nicely. I do give it that, but it just wasn't a big pigmentation. But on the non-set, I mean on the setted side, for sure, I already knew, like I'm pretty sure all you guys know, it's better just to hit the Fix Plus when you do that, because you're not gonna get a lot of pigment. I'm not saying that with all the eyeshadows, but majority of the time it just doesn't give that pigmentation that we're looking for without the Fix Plus. So yeah, so I would have to say that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So overall, to give my final thoughts of whether or not you should set your eyeshadow primer or not. So honestly, I would say the preference is up to you. All in all, yeah, it's just if you want it to have more pigment right off the bat, I would definitely go for not setting it. But if you want to still build it up, or you know, depends on also the eyeshadow palette you use. If it's, you know, very pigmented, it's gonna work for you either way. But would I say it's blotchy or is it bad to not set your eyes? No, I would definitely not say that. Creasing wise, that I do not know, being that I just did this, but let me grab my mirror. I would have to say though, as of right now, I don't see any creasing, so I'm pretty sure you're going to be safe on all of that. But yeah, I would just definitely encourage you to try it. It doesn't hurt, you know, makeup's makeup, you could just wipe it off. But yeah, I would just say definitely give it a shot, because I'm glad I did and finally got that out of my system, and I am totally okay with it. I'm probably also, being of how much I liked it, I might even try further looks down the road without setting my eyes. So yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, I just thought it was fun to do, so hopefully you guys can. And if there's any looks, products, things like that, just, you know, shoot them down, comment below, tell me what you guys want to see. I'll definitely go out and do that for you. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please do not forget to subscribe. That would help me out so much. And yeah, so I will be seeing you guys in my next video. I love you all, and see you later.